One of the most important things to watch out for on your Pinterest journey is treating it like social media. Before we get deep into it, I'm Press Rogers and I do Pinterest marketing for online businesses, hopefully like yours. So Pinterest is almost always grouped in with social media. And I get it, it has a lot of social aspects to it, but spoiler, it's not social media, it's actually a search and discovery tool. So a search engine very similar to Google, as well as YouTube. And even like TikTok, because you have the ability to type something into a search bar and search for something. So therefore, if you're using Pinterest as a business, you should really make your content solution driven, inspirational. You want to make it something that people are typing into a search bar and they can find something based on your content, find a solution. So for example, if you are a marketer, what are some of the things that people will be searching for in a search engine to come across your content that's going to give them a solution to the problems that they are having when it comes to marketing? It's not just about posting any kind of content on Pinterest. It's about posting or pinning specific content that's really going to help people find a solution or be inspired when it comes to what they are searching for on that platform. So keep that in mind and make sure to follow me for more Pinterest marketing content.